In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and format an image into a Microsoft Word document using shapes. This technique is particularly handy when you want precise control over the size and placement of your image within your document, and it gives your work a polished and professional look. Let's begin by opening your Microsoft Word file. Feel free to pause this video at any point if you need time to follow along. Once you have your document open, locate the Insert tab on the top menu. This is your gateway to adding various elements to your Word files, such as images, tables, and more. Click on Shape from this menu. You'll be presented with a variety of shapes. For today's purpose, we'll use a rectangle because it effectively acts as a frame for the picture we're going to insert. The size of this shape will directly determine how big or small your picture will appear, so you can draw it to fit your need. After you have your shape in the document, it's time to add your image. Right-click on the shape to bring up more options and click on Format Shape. This step is crucial because it opens up the formatting panel where you can make all kinds of customizations. Now, under the Fill section, select Picture or Text Fill. This option allows us to fill the shape with the image you've chosen. Next, we will insert our picture. Click on Insert from the options provided. Find the image you want to use on your device and click the Insert button again. The image will now appear within the confines of the shape you drew earlier. This method ensures that the image perfectly fits and aligns within the given shape, making your document look neat and organized. You now have the flexibility to adjust the transparency of your image, enhancing the way your document looks even further. This can be done by dragging the transparency slider under the Picture Format tab, which opened when you began formatting your shape. Adjusting the transparency can be particularly useful if you want to layer text or additional elements over your image without losing readability. It's a subtle touch, but it makes a big difference in the clarity and effectiveness of your document. And there you have it. You've learned how to insert an image into a Microsoft Word document using shapes for enhanced control and customization. This technique is incredibly versatile and can be applied to suit various projects you might be working on, from simple flyers to complex report designs. As always, take some time to practice, and soon you'll be a pro at formatting images in Word. Thank you for following along. Enjoy experimenting with your newly acquired skills.